Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 midday, and right now you're taking a look at the red flag warnings that are in place for pretty much all of the News Watch 12 viewing area minus Curry County. This runs until 11 p.m. tonight, as we'll have the threat for more lightning strikes over critically dry fuels. Also, we'll be tracking smoke all throughout the day, and the Oregon DEQ has issued an air quality alert for Jackson and Klamath counties through at least Friday, as we have a lot of smoke particulates up in the air from the McKinney fire. So I'll show you said smoke here on our near surface smoke forecast. And remember the other day when there were a lot of yellows and oranges and reds on this map? Well, now there are a lot of blues, which means that the thickness of the smoke has gone down. The smoke is definitely thinned out. And so by the time we get into the evening to overnight hours, we're going to see that northwest push in winds. And so a lot of the smoke, the thin smoke that is, will be over on the east side down into Siskiyou County. But watch what happens throughout the course of the day on Wednesday. Now, a lot of this hinges on the containment efforts of the McKinney fire, but it looks like the smoke is going to clear out of here in a big way. Now, we've been burned by this model before, so don't necessarily put all of your stock into this, but I think the moral of the story is that our air quality is about to improve in a big way. All right, temperatures this midday, pretty warm. It's feeling pretty muggy out there. 70s over on the east side, 80s in our west side valley, 63 degrees along the coast, where the marine layer is, of course, keeping us a little bit cooler. We're seeing just a few spotty showers right now up in the Cascades and over on the east side. And a little bit later in the day, we're expecting, unfortunately, more thunderstorms to form, primarily in Siskiyou County over on the east side. Some of this could sneak into the Rogue Valley. But unlike with yesterday, for tonight, when the sun goes down, most everything that pops up on radar will go away with it. We could run into the same scenario on Wednesday. That setup isn't looking nearly as potent as the one for today and the one for yesterday. But of course, me and Matt will keep a very close eye on it. And then for Thursday, we can maybe run it into the same scenario. So for today, it's going to be hot. It's going to be smoky. Air quality not as bad as it's been for the past couple of days, and tracking that threat for lightning over, unfortunately, critically dry fuels. So we'll have the threat for wildfire starts for today. And then overnight, I think most of us clear out. We'll have some clouds remaining, and of course, some of that smoke, especially over on the east side and down into Siskiyou County. Overnight temperatures not feeling half bad over on the east side, mid-50s, but for a west side valley, still feeling pretty stuffy, as we'll be near 70 degrees, and there along the coast, temperatures will be in the 50s. More fog because of the marine layer. Here's your 3-day forecast for Siskiyou County. Things will be heating up near 100 degrees Wednesday through Friday, and we'll have a very small chance for some thunderstorms, but definitely not the chances that we've seen over the past couple of days. I think today is going to be the last day where we'll see super widespread shower and thunderstorm activity, but we're still holding on to that chance a little bit through at least Friday. Here's your 7-day forecast. Along the coast, we'll see a very comfortable temperatures, pretty good air quality, especially when you compare it to some of the air quality values that we've seen inland. Of course, the worst air quality right now is in Siskiyou County with the McKinney fire still burning. Fingers crossed that we can get more rain over the fire today without any additional wildfire starts. But of course, we're holding our breath on that. And after that, after we get through this little stretch of days, Wednesday through Friday, where we'll see more chances for showers and thunderstorms, it looks like we're going to dry out and heat up as well. So those fuels are going to go back to being critically dry. Then for the east side, we'll kind of see the same story arc. Temperatures getting into the mid-90s as we head into the weekend. Thankfully, not the oppressive heat that we saw last week. Then for the Cascades and Siskiyous, more chances for lightning over the next few days. Thankfully, it does look like that chance will wind down as we head into the weekend. And then for the Rogue Valley, hopefully air quality improving here within the next couple of days. And then temperatures going up near 100 degrees for both Saturday and Sunday.